Did you know that over 70% of AC failures happen because of poor maintenance? If you live in Palm Jumeirah, you know how essential a fully functional air conditioner is, especially during Dubai's scorching summer. Today, we will explore everything you need to know about AC repair and maintenance, how to keep your unit running efficiently, prevent costly breakdowns, and improve cooling performance. And if you need professional AC service, Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services is here to help. Stay tuned. Welcome to today's video. We are talking about AC repair and maintenance in Palm Jumeirah, one of the most luxurious locations in Dubai. Whether you are experiencing poor cooling, water leakage, or strange noises from your AC, we will cover the causes, solution, and best maintenance practices. And if you need expert servicing, Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services provide fast, reliable, and affordable AC repair solution right here in Palm Jumeirah. You can call us anytime at 050-2175-305 to book an appointment. One of the most common issues homeowners face is an AC that is not cooling properly. This could be due to the clogged filter, low refrigerant levels, or a faulty compressor. A simple filter cleaning can sometimes restore performance, but if the problem persists, checking refrigerant levels and getting a professional inspection is crucial. Another frequent issue is water leakage from the unit. This usually happens due to a clogged drain, pipe, or frozen evaporator coil. Regular cleaning and maintenance can prevent this, ensuring your AC functions smoothly. If you hear strange noises coming from your AC, don't ignore them. Loose fan blades, a falling motor, or internal debris can cause rattling or buzzing sounds. Ignoring these sounds can lead to a major system damage. So it's best to have a professional technicians inspect and fix the issue. Unpleasant odors from your AC are another concerns. Mold buildup, dirty filters, or stagnant water inside the unit can cause foul smells. Regular AC maintenance and deep cleaning help eliminate odors and improve indoor air quality. At Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services, we specialize in diagnosing and fixing these issues efficiently. If you need urgent AC repair in Palm Jumeirah, give us a call at 050-2175-305. Many AC breakdowns happen because of lack of preventive maintenance. Dust and debris buildup can block airflow, forcing the unit to work harder and increasing energy consumption. This leads to higher electricity bills and shorter lifespan of your AC system. Routine maintenance like filter cleaning, refrigerant check, and coil washing ensure that your AC runs efficiently. A well maintained AC can last up to 15 years, while a neglected unit might fail in just a few years. At Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services, we provide comprehensive maintenance plan to keep your AC performing at its best. Our professional technicians conduct deep cleaning, refrigerant level checks, and system tunes up to prevent sudden breakdown. If you have not serviced your AC in a while, now is the time. Call us at 050-2175-305 to schedule an inspection today. Did you know that small changes in how you can use your AC can save hundreds of dirham every year? Set your thermostat between 24 to 26 degrees centigrade for optimal cooling without excessive energy use. Use ceiling fans along with your AC to distribute cool air more efficiently. Close curtains and blinds during peak sunlight hours to keep your home naturally cooler. Clean your AC filter every month to improve airflow and reduce energy consumption. Schedule professional maintenance every 6 months to ensure peak performance and prevent expensive repair. Following these tips help you stay cool and save money on electricity bills. And if you want a professional checkup for your AC in Palm Jumeirah, Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services is just a call away at 050-2175-305. When it comes to AC repair and maintenance, choosing a reliable company is essential. Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services has built a reputation for fast, professional, and affordable AC solutions across Dubai, including Palm Jumeirah. Expert technicians. Our skilled professionals diagnose and fix AC issues quickly. Emergency repairs. AC problems can happen anytime. That's why we offer fast and efficient services. Affordable pricing. We provide competitive rates with no hidden charges. Guaranteed satisfaction. Our goal is to keep your AC. Our goal is to keep your AC running smoothly and ensure you stay cool. We handle all type of AC system, including split units, central ACs, and duct system. Whether it's a minor repair or a full maintenance check, we are here to help. If you need AC servicing in Palm Jumeirah, don't wait for the problem to get worse. Call Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services at 05021753005 today. AC maintenance is not just about fixing problems, it's about preventing them before they start. Regular servicing keep your home cool, improve air quality and save you money on energy bills. If you are in Palm Jumeirah and need expert AC repair or maintenance, get in touch with Happy Brothers Air Conditioning Services. Our team is ready to provide top quality service and keep your AC running at its peak performance. Call 05021753005 to book your appointment now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AC tips and maintenance advice. See you in the next video.